How to open Mission 1 Pro battery door. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you quickly how to open the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro door. If you try to open it the wrong way, then it might ruin the camera. So that's why I wanted to show you how exactly you do so, because what happens, a lot of people think that this is the door and they try to open it, but actually this is not the door. This is just a place where the water comes out, helps the water to drain. So never try to open this or do anything here. It's going to ruin your camera. The door actually is on this side. So the easy way to remember this, when the camera is facing towards you, your door is going to be on your left. That's where you're going to use it to open the door, and on your right you never touch. So another way to remember that, always look for the Mission 1 Pro, and there you don't touch anything because there's the power button and the mode button there, and there's no battery door there. The battery door is on the other side, which is right here. So in order to open it, you just kind of pull it down a little bit, just this way, and you're gonna hear a gentle click, and then once you open it, that's going to open the battery door, and then you can take out the battery, or you can put your SD card right here. Now in order to close it, you have to just push it further, and you can see that it's not closed yet. So once you push it, then you're going to hear another gentle click, and then that's going to close the battery door. Now I just want to show you something else. In order to remove this door completely, you have to just kind of push it up a little bit, and it's going to just come out, and you can see that it came out easily. And when you need to put it back, you just kind of match the lines and just push it a little bit, and then you can see that it's already closed it, and then you can just push it back, and that's how you open and close the GoPro Mission Pro 1 battery door. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.